Assalamualaikum friends, and welcome back to my channel Knowledge for Everyone. So today friends, we are gonna learn how to hide these icons. If you wanna hide these icons from anyone else, you don't wanna show these icons to anyone else, or you just want your desktop to be clean. So it's an easy way to hide your icons which are on the desktop. You just need to right click, and here are some options like view, sort by, refresh, and all the others. You just need to bring your cursor on the view option, and here is another window which are having some more options: large icons, medium icons, small icons. Just leave them all. Click on show desktop icons. Here now there is a tick mark on show desktop icons. When you click on that, the tick mark will remove and your icons would be hidden. You can see here your icons are invisible now. Where did they go? They aren't deleted, they didn't went anywhere, they are just hidden. Now you just need to click right again, and if you want to bring them again, click right again, bring your cursor on view option and click on show desktop icons, and now here are your icons back to their home on desktop. So friends, inshallah we will meet in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Oh friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video, and tell me in the comments that how is my video. And if you want my all the other new and informative videos like the same of today, or any other informative video you want, you can tell me in the comments, or if you want to get it first, so don't forget to click the bell icon.